Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick soup at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of broth, your favorite vegetables, and a protein like cooked chicken or beans. Chop everything into small, manageable pieces. This preparation saves time and ensures even cooking. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build a delicious flavor base. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced aromatics, such as 1 small onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become tender and fragrant. This step is crucial for a rich, deep flavor in your quick soup. Next, we'll add the liquids and protein. Pour in about 4 cups of your preferred broth, whether it's vegetable, chicken, or beef. Now, add your protein, perhaps 1 cup of cooked chicken, a half cup of lentils, or a can of drained beans. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to medium-low. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your quick soup. Stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings to your liking. You might want a pinch more salt or a dash of your favorite herbs. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro. Enjoy your delicious, homemade quick soup in under 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.